mamas in the car because it's drizzling. No, wrong signal. That was not our bus. Our bus is literally delayed from like 10-15 minutes. It was supposed to come at 10:05 and it's 10:19, but it's about to reach in 2 minutes, it seems. I literally, when we were leaving the house, I was literally friggin' I wanted to pee, but my sister did not allow me. Oh, the bus is here. Oh, okay. That's our bus, Sugama. You better take us right, Mama. Bye, Mama. Okay. Bye, Auntie. Love you.
This one only, first one.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Guys, we're literally falling with the bus because the bus is going too fast. But I hope you guys can see me. We have started our seat in our bus. The lighting's not as good as I thought. Oh, I think there's specific lights. Can we switch those on? There. Oh, the lights don't work. Sugama, what's happening, Mama? Arey. What Khatron Ki Khiladi are you doing? Mama, we are on the bus right now, all settled in and heading to Bangalore. If you guys didn't know by now, we are in the AC bus and it's my vlog, so we have to do a bus tour, like our seat tour. So I'm like really excited. Okay, starting off, we are like literally like the doors there, and then we have like the first seat. So I'm so happy for curtains, privacy matters. And then right over here we have like placed our suitcase. Our big suitcase is down there, so like yeah, whatever. And then we have been given blankets, but obviously we have got our own, and the blanket provided to us is like yeah, I suggest you all to get your own. Yeah. And then we have placed Tav's bag here, and then we have like a compartment for like water bottles. So I've placed my water bottle there, and I have my bags over here, and then we have like our shoes inside this plastic bag. Basically our Crocs are in here, yeah, because they're dirty, right? And then this is like the whole bed that we have, and obviously we have Bimbo over here, and then we have a view over here. It's a sleigh. And then there's ACs over here also and here also, so that's a sleigh. Ooh, people getting in the bus. Oh, we have been also provided with like pillows, so that's a sleigh. And then we have Stav here. Stav, are you excited? Okay. Because sorry, lighting matters. Because like I'm really excited. I was very dull in the whole car due to certain reasons, but yeah, now I'm really pumped up and excited. Yeah, but I'll keep updating you guys. Hi guys, update time. It is 12:05 a.m. The bus is like super shaky because we're going through the cart section. Our bus stopped at one place where if you want to pee, you can pee, or you want to have refreshments, you can have refreshments. And I went to pee and I was super scared. Obviously we have to pee over here. I was scared because of the hygiene, but to be honest, it was really good, and I'm glad I got a good one. Now we're thinking of to crash off because first of all it's cart section, and second of all I'm like super sleepy because I did not get sleep last night. So I'll update you guys about anything happening, and hopefully she doesn't fall off because of the fact that the bus is moving too much. Yeah, we're gonna try sleeping. Hi guys, good morning. So it's currently 6:10 a.m. We have reached Bangalore, and you can see outside like it's really nice. It's saying like it's giving me vibes of Bangalore city. There's less greenery because obviously it's city area, I believe. But yeah, I didn't get sleep the whole night. It's not that there was no comfort, it was like full comfort. The AC was perfect, everything was perfect. It's just that I got up while going through the cart section, and then I couldn't get sleep because like the roads were like so twisty, the humps, so I was getting scared. But apart from that, I slept like at 4:30 a.m. and I got up like at 5:30, and I've not been getting sleep after that. But it's okay, I don't think we have a lot to do today. I can sleep. Yeah. I spotted greenery, by the way. Really close to reaching, and we're getting down at the stop of what? Matiwala. Yeah. I hope I pronounced it right.
Early morning also. also there are signals running, you know.
It's beautiful.
It's so
Right?
beautiful.
Right.
Like I love this weather.
Everyone's wearing jackets.
That's what which we don't get to see in Bangalore.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys. Okay, so it's currently 1:41 p.m. Updating you guys way later when I had a good sleep. The minute I reached home, I literally crashed out and I slept like a baby. I had a good nap until at 11 a.m. The construction people started banging on something and I got up and quite fresh. And then we were like literally hungry, so we prepared like this spaghetti, like chili oil spaghetti, and it was really yum. Had that, my tummy is so full, and I'm like so lazy. I really want to sleep again, but apparently Stav wants to head out, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna be here in Bangalore at Weber's place for like 3 or 4 days, so it's a slay. I don't know what are we gonna do, but I'll keep updating you guys. So far, loving the vibe and the weather of Bangalore. I've still not explored out, but till now, it's a slay. Like my packing situation, we took like the medium suitcase when we actually took the small one first, and then we realized no, it's not gonna fit. And what if we shop and we have stuff, so like we need it back, like we need a big bag, so we took the big bag, and now we're gonna get ready. Hey guys, I'm all ready. I'm wearing what I wore to the airport. Yeah, just a simple basic outfit because I really don't know how people dress here anyways. And apart from that, we're gonna book the rickshaw and we're going to go to the Forum Nexus Mall, which is in Kormangala. Rickshaw is like this Uber system wala rickshaw, and it's my first time, so like I'm really excited. Yeah. Okay, and basically, Stav's literally done a whole folder, Bangalore. But yeah, there's this app where you book rickshaws, like Uber rickshaws, and it's called as what?
Namayat.
Nammayatri. Okay, so like we get to the app. I really don't know how this works. Stav knows.
Where to? First you put your current location and then you put the address.
Okay.
And then from where you book the Nexus Mall, you confirm the location. And then it gives you estimates. It's like an Uber, but
Okay.
you know that way.
So we're
you're gonna book an auto.
Rickshaw. Okay.
So
And it's
book
only
auto.
40 rupees. Guys, this side it's so cheap. Like, and for a rickshaw, that will literally give your estimate like from your
and
location.
it's not even like Uber because 100% of the fares literally go to the driver.
Wow.
Like Namayatri does not take any of the money from them.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not Uber, it's like Nammayatri rickshaw. Sorry. But guys, we got a purple rickshaw. Slay. Rickshaw.
The one waste.
The guy just answers like a bus. Good start. I'm just so excited. It's so nice. It's so pleasant. Like, wow. Love it. Guys, we reached, that's the mall. And it literally took us, what, 5 minutes? We're at West Side right now. Yeah. We looked at this linen shorts and I'm like obsessed, and it's so perfect for like
Take the matching top for it.
summer. Yeah, there's also like a matching top for it, and it's also not a cord set but also a cord set. I don't know if you guys can get me what I'm trying to say. Drink room, and I tried this set and it's a slay, to be honest. This is slay. Got a lip balm free with like whatever we purchase. We could take wet wipes or something, but I just took lip balm instead. You could take even nail polish, but I took a lip balm. I don't know what brand is this, but there's clearance sale, so we're definitely heading in. Hi guys, so far we're done roaming the ground floor, now we're in the first floor. I'm loving the mall now, and we've done one purchase, so it's very nice. And I'm excited to roam the first floor also as well. We're in Miniso right now. Oh my god. Like every other person putting something like that down. Till now I have not done it. So slay me. But like we're here because I've been getting storage box for like Vaibhav to keep his toiletries. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay guys, we're at Krispy Kreme right now, and we ordered like chiller drinks, and it's I've ordered a green apple fizz. I've never tried this and you don't get it in Bahrain as well. And Stav's ordered a guava something. So,
Chili guava.
and then I've ordered a donut, which is cookie cream. And Stav's ordered a nutty hazelnut. How is it? She's already had it. I don't know, something is very off. Green apple fizz is a slave. Okay, cheers. We're done. We're heading home now. Such a sleigh day, and I'm so excited. We're not using Number Yatri now because like there are rickshaws right outside here. So we're gonna take one and we're gonna head home now. Guys, this rickshaw driver literally tried to steal from us. I'm waiting for next 10 minutes, but this rickshaw driver literally tried to, like, what do you say? Literally tried to what bug us? Like, guys, this rickshaw driver literally tried to rip us off because he charges 200. When we came, we just paid 50 through Namma Yatri or whatever the other app was. So make sure, even if you're new, I think he understood we were new. Because like the way he asked us where do you want to go, and we were like,
And the way she was clicking pictures.
so yeah, the way we mentioned about the address was very evident that we are new here. Anyways, we're gonna book through the app and go for our rickshaws. Anyways, managed to find a rickshaw driver who didn't try to rip us off as much as the previous one. Update, we reached home. But what a fun shopping day. I absolutely loved the Forum Nexus Mall in Koramangala. If you guys are in Bangalore, like if it's near to you as well, head to that mall. It's really nice.
Realize one thing, you need to go to places that are near you. Traveling somewhere other is hard.
I mean, yeah, especially if you like depend on those apps that like get you rickshaws and like Ubers, it's a bit hard because we realized today that they come, but it's just that it's a lot of time. Yeah, slay. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Arey, do you miss us? Do you miss us?
Yeah, I'm missing you both.
Okay, hi guys. So it's way later right now, and it's currently 8:27 p.m. I had a shower. Web was back from work. We had plans of like going out, but I'm like too lazy and I'm too tired because for 2 consecutive nights I didn't have sleep, and like so lazy that I really don't want to change again now. But the plan for now is we ordered some good burgers, and then after that there are plans of like heading out of the house like for a drive and like a good milkshake, because like there's this place where you get like good mango milkshake, so I'm excited about it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I am wearing the lip balm that I got from Westside, the free one. It doesn't give any color, but it gives like moisture, and I put this like what, around 6, and it's still like, and I yeah, it's a slay to be honest. So like for free, it's nice. Oh, warning, dangerously yummy goods inside. Slay, our burgers are here, guys. Not tried yet, but I'll let you guys talk about it. Oh my god. It's really good. It's spicy. It's spicy and it's really good.
In Bangalore, just like this line. Gateway,
Botanical garden.
Guys, that's Lulu! What? Guys, I'm literally in my PJs right now. I'm going down of the car to have the milkshake from this place called Sagar. This milkshake better be good for what I'm wearing, because I'm embarrassing myself in my homeware. Yeah. I mean, I've seen people wear homeware and go places, but like, I've never done that. There's like a huge line Okay, so we have come to this place called Sagar. Sagar since 1980. This restaurant over here, and the queue, the line, and the wait for the food over here is insane. Literally at what's the time?
It's closing in 10 minutes.
It's closing in 10 minutes. It's 10:48 p.m. Oh, we got it! Oh, we got it already! What area is this?
Rajaji Nagar.
Rajaji Nagar. And like I've literally took videos of how they prepare it, and guys, oh my god, you have to spoil my aesthetic.
Like this.
Aesthetics are really important, guys. So I'm gonna try it, and I've heard it's really famous, so like I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna try this. What's this called? Mango what? Milkshake.
Special mango milkshake.
Special mango milkshake. Try it with the mango.
It's good?
My reaction literally reminded me of an ad that we have been watching ever since growing up, so I'm gonna play it.
रस भरे रसीले आमों से बना, इसका हर घूंट लगे आम की बाइट जैसा, हर घूंट रस भरा आम.
I can't believe it. I just did that.
Oh my god, guys. The mango is dry for.
We had dinner, my stomach's full, but this is a slay. Guys, this thing is as big as my face and is not exaggeration. Or like it's not getting over. You know the meal is good. You know the meal is good when you get a mustache of it. Like the juice or whatever is good. It's too thick for it to come. Sorry, that's what she said. Oh my god, the weather was slay. In PJs? Good idea. तेरे नाम की कोई सड़क है काजल लाऊं में आले में आस तेरा श्रृंगार आज रात आसान तुझे मोरनी शिसाल गुलाबी साड़ी यानी लाली लाल लाल. We're home. Hi guys, okay, we're home. I just had such an amazing time. It was such a long drive, and I'm so happy Babu took us to that place, Sagar, where we had those our stomachs. So I was full until here, but for that thick shake, like anything, like it was really nice. But yeah, that was day one complete. Hope you guys had fun watching this vlog. I'm gonna end it here, but obviously we're gonna explore Bangalore for the next 2 to 3 days, and I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. I'm gonna try my 100% best vlogging it for you guys, and for that you guys need to like this video, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to always keep smiling. Also, don't forget to be a pyari because you are a pyari. I love you. Bye.